that's another lady.
Oh, yeah. So how's your day been?
Good, mate.
Been good?
No, she races you from house to house. This lady.
Oh, is she orange, yellow? Not yellow,
No,
red?
mate,
Yeah.
red.
Yeah.
You're a red-lidded woman. Hey.
Can I have a look at that?
Oh, you see him down the Coles shopping centre sometimes.
Can I have a look at that?
Oh, yeah. I'm a pilot now. Yeah, as long as he doesn't want to be paid, Alright, I better let you go, huh? Yeah. Alright, red little lady. See ya.
What was that?
Three friends.
Oh, yeah. I haven't been in the dentist for a long time. Nah. Do you do this route often?
Yeah, I believe so now.
Yeah.
I wanted you at school.
I nearly broke my knee. Well, I did break my knee actually. So,
Tore the ligaments.
yeah. Are you not only yellow today?
Yeah, I'm on this side.
Yeah. No one helping you?
Nah, everyone's busy.
On other routes? Yeah. So how much can this truck hold?
I'm recycled. I'm made up of bins.
Yeah. It's collected 938 things.
I've already been to the ship.
Yeah. Do you like being a garbage man?
Been doing it for 25 years.
25?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What are you in, mate?
I'm in year 5.
Oh,
wanted putting the bins on their lid.
A lot of years of practice.
Yeah. Is this your truck?
Nah, mine's in the workshop.
Is it getting fixed? You going up the hill first?
Oh, go up there shortly. Shopping, huh?
Yeah. Did he empty the bin? No. He missed it.
Oh, there's another truck.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, no, that's two blocks in there.
Yeah, he's got someone else in the staff.
Yeah, training.
Yeah, training. Yeah, because he stopped like right in the middle of the street. And I'm like, is it a trainee or is it someone else up in the thing? Like someone else in the DAF. What's the top one for?
What's that?
The
Computer.
oh, it's a computer.
Yeah, it's not working.
Like the roots or
Yeah, you just log in.
yeah.
It'll show you your run.
Yeah.
Then you can take
You emptied the wrong bin.
rubbish bin. Torpid.
Uh-oh. Does that happen sometimes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, with the computer, if the bin's not out, you can take a photo.
Beg your pardon?
You take a photo
Yeah.
with the computer
Yeah.
of the premises,
Oh yeah.
and when they ring up, they say, "Oh, your bin's been this long ago." Well, they get the address and say, "Oh, sorry, the driver was there at this such a time."
Yeah.
And your bin
I mean, it was an accident. I think it was my fault because I kept you distracted.
No, you're not.
Now we wait. One eternity later. Oh, come on, we're not there yet.
Well, finally finished it.
Yeah, it's been finished for what, about nearly a year now?
No, that's how long since.
You haven't been here.
No.
You going up the hill first?
Go up the hill. Is that alright?
Yeah. Oh, the big fat bins. I like the fat bins.
The 360.
360 bins.
Yeah, those are 240s.
Yeah.
These are 360s.
Yeah, right.
We might go down there later at the other guys. So we won't get in each other's way.
Yeah. And you don't hit each other. How's it automatic?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So when you go over a certain speed, they stop?
Yeah, change gears.
Yeah. Is this 103 or 102?
What's that?
Is this radio 102 or 103?
107.
Beg your pardon?
107. Power 107.
Oh yeah. We listen to 102.
Oh.
Yeah, Triple M. Is this a full bin?
What's that?
Nah, it's not a full bin. Jeez, these arms hit really hard.
What?
The arms hit really hard.
In this one it does.
Beg your pardon?
In this fucking does.
Yeah.
Yeah, rocks it.
Beg your pardon?
Rocks the whole truck.
Yeah. Thought you were gonna hit the trailer.
I'm gonna swing in close.
Oh, a lot of cans. Not cans, bottles. Yeah. I was looking for that word. Is that automatic? Like,
Now you got sensors on the back.
yeah.
Thing to get too close to something. Oh.
When are you planning on to retire?
Oh, right.
Oh, that's a heavy bin. Oh,
I
that's,
don't know.
that was either a heavy bin or you're just like taking forever on the joystick.
One day. Well, this is how long I've been doing this.
Yeah.
When I first did bushland beach,
Yeah.
we used to do it one truck.
One truck.
Yeah?
What, per thing? Like one truck in recycling, one truck on garbage?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Okay. That's how big it was.
And that's how the Porter Council was
Okay.
to afford other trucks.
I went back in the truck.
Yellow. Oh, red.
Yeah, too late.
Uh-oh.
No.
That can empty yellow.
No, well, when I first started driving these, I
Yeah.
used to work for Cleanaway.
Oh, clean away.
Yeah, because they had the contract with the Farrangowan Council
Yeah.
when it was Farrangowan and Townsville.
Are you able to save them? Like, if you accidentally pick up the red?
Yeah, I can stop it.
I want to go up the hill with you.
No worries.
Because you can just drop me off at that. And because my house is literally with the bicycle loop.
Oh, basketball.
Yeah, this one right here with the
Oh, yeah.
blue car.
Yeah. God, you walked far enough.
Oh yeah, I did walk far enough. Because I thought you were on the street next to us.
Well, I'll let you get out. I'll put that. Have a good